Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down what are multi-agent systems, or MAS for short, and how it works to solve complex problems. Imagine a team of smart agents like little AI brains working together to solve problems. That's basically what a multi-agent system is. It's a group of intelligent agents that interact, collaborate, and sometimes even compete to get things done.
Now you might be thinking, why not just use one big AI model to do it all?
Well, real-world problems, like managing a warehouse, coordinating delivery drones, or handling a smart grid, are complex for a single system. Each agent in a multi-agent system has its own role. Some gather info, some make decisions, others take action. They all talk to each other, adapt to changes, and work toward a shared goal. For businesses, this means automation that's more scalable and flexible. Instead of one massive AI doing everything, you have smaller, specialized agents that can work together and evolve.
And here's where it gets exciting. When you combine multi-agent systems with large language models like GPT, you get powerful teams of AIs that can reason, collaborate, and even build things from scratch.
So that's multi-agent systems in a nutshell. Want to dive deeper into how it works and why it matters? Check out the full blog at VisionX.io. The link's in the description. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns from the team at VisionX.